My name is Pam Myette. I live in Plymouth, Mass.
Hi, my name is John Myette. I live at 72 Jordan Road in Plymouth, Mass. BuildX was a company that we contacted to build an ADU, Accessory Dwelling Unit, for my son William. My son's a 25-year-old autistic. We needed to find a place for him to live long term, so we contacted BuildX, spoke with the folks over there, and started the process.
We called Buzz because we had an idea of what we wanted to do, because we knew Plymouth was going to ADU and we wanted to be the first one. And we were. The ADU was a benefit because we are not required as he ages to put him in a group home. He can stay in the least restrictive environment for himself.
You know, the options that we were staring at is a group home,
right,
which my son Billy would never adapt to. We also wanted him to have independent living on his own as much as he could.
After we contacted Buzz and the town allowed it, Buzz just hit the ground running.
So Buzz laid out a number of footprints that we could build, because the square footage limit is 900 square feet. Buzz gave us a footprint, and then we were able to manage it to what our specific needs were. But we also took into consideration what was doable in that that limited space.
Right.
So we needed 2 bedrooms. We needed a bedroom for Bill, but also a caregiver. So we have a second bedroom for somebody that eventually would either live there or stay there overnight to watch over Bill. Initially, we broke ground in September, but that was really only to cut the trees down. We really didn't start breaking ground till the first week of October. So reality is probably 8 to 10 weeks, and it was right on Buzz's target. We were hoping to get in by Christmas. We were right on that target date.
It was a pretty aggressive schedule, and they got it done.
We're here at Jordan Road, America's hometown, building Plymouth's first ADU. This unit's going to be a 900 square foot, 2-bedroom unit. We have our concrete forms that are set. They're oiling the forms now, getting them ready for pour.
Every trade flew into the other one, so that one trade in, one trade out. When they, the contractors came, they introduced themselves.
Yep.
They let us know what was happening.
There was always someone here, and we knew of what was going on that day because Kevin kept us in the loop.
Kevin was here every day. He was here every day. I'd see him in the morning. He'd give me a rundown of what's going to happen today. It was just run professional.
It was seamless.
I think all the subcontractors were fabulous. They were always on time. They pulled up. They explained what they were going to do today.
Yep.
Asked where to park, all those kinds of things. They were very courteous, professional.
Yep.
I couldn't say enough about every one of them. I have a lot of friends that build houses, and they can't believe that we build a house in 3 months. Can't.
I actually love the whole ADU. I love every room. There's not anything I disliked. I love the big windows. I love that we did 9-foot ceilings.
I mean, my favorite room is obviously the king-size bedroom and the bathroom.
Yeah, the bathroom's really
cool.
cool.
Is a massive bathroom, with a big shower.
Yep.
A lot of storage. I would like to have a shower like that in my home. Anything that we wanted that changed, we didn't like or we liked, we just called Buzz or Kevin, and we got it changed.
And both you and I were very comfortable with the items that required field decisions, because we knew Buzz always had our back, and he was going to give us the best. It wasn't going to be half-assed or not done perfect, because that's just not in Buzz's body to do that. We knew it was going to be outstanding, and it was. Yeah. It truly was. We no longer have to have that thought in our head, the future. What's the future going to bring us? We have created our future for what's going to work best for us. People don't even understand how much relief that brings us.
Now that we have a place for Billy to live, we can start actually living our retirement with my oldest son moving here eventually. Yep. And he'll be able to watch over my son. It's a big relief knowing that he'll be right here on this property with my oldest son. That's just such a tremendous relief.
It sure is. As a parent of a child, you're not getting any younger. So any person that can get an ADU, do it, because it's worth it. It's worth the outcome.
Whatever your situation is, Buzz and BuildX can put together a program that fits your needs.
Exactly, absolutely.
It just opens up so many options for you.
Yep.
And your family, whether it's an elderly parent or a sick family member. It's just a comfort knowing that they're close by, they're being taken care of, and you don't have to worry.
Yep. I would not recommend anybody else, because there's no one as good as BuildX. Truly.
Just build.
Just build, baby!
Oh, God.